Welcome to GS2 WebSauce Courseware by G Sheetpress. In this video, I'll show you how completion rules work, how to set up your certificate, and how students actually receive it. Let's get into it. First, enable the certificate for this course. If this is turned off, students won't be able to earn one, no matter how much of the course they complete. Now set the minimum passing score. This is the threshold students need to hit before they're eligible for the certificate. It works alongside your completion rules from earlier. Every certificate that's issued gets a unique certificate ID. This isn't just a formality, it's what lets anyone verify that the certificate was genuinely issued by your course system, protecting both you and your students. Once a student meets all the completion rules, the certificate becomes available to download right from their dashboard. And if completion emails are enabled, they'll also receive the certificate or a link to it directly in their inbox. That's everything you need to set up certificates and completion rules in your course. If this helped you, check out the rest of our courseware tutorials linked below.